following situations best illustrates kinetic energy? Kinesthetic sana sabihin ko. Kinetic energy. Fresh na fresh din po ito. September, November, item, letter A. An oscillating electric fan, letter B, water stored in an elevated water tank. Letter C, a stretched spring attached to the wall. Or letter D, a charged battery inside a flashlight. What is this? Okay, letter A, ang sigaw ng Team Freud, kinetic energy. Ibig sabihin, moving, energy of motion. Okay, and so tumpak na choice, you are right. It is letter A, oscillating electric fan. Okay, so oscillating electric fan po, ang ating hinahanap na water stored potential po yan. Stretched potential, no? Charged battery, hindi pa po siya ginagamit, no? So potential, may potential kang gamitin. Andyan lang siya, hindi pa rin siya nagagamit. So letter A is the right choice. Okay, so remember, no? Two types of energy. You have potential energy and kinetic energy. When you say potential energy, no, stored energy, hindi pa nagagamit. Under this, you have chemical energy na nandyan po sa inyong battery, sa food natin or sa plants natin, no? Chemical energy din po yan. Nuclear energy sa ating mga atoms, no? Elements. Elastic energy, yung mga nasa stretch, no? Kanina sa ating stretch rubber band. And of course, palaging tinatanong ni Let, gravitational energy. Yung paboritong tanong po ni Let, no? What type of energy does a guava have, no? Or sometimes reversed yung question. Which among the following situations shows potential, no? Potential gravitational energy. So yung pipiliin po natin, basta gravitational energy, dapat nakaangat, di ba? Dapat nakalambitin, dapat nakahang siya. Okay? So, paborito din po yan ni Let. Now, for your kinetic energy, we call this the energy of motion. No? Ibig sabihin, gumagalaw na, ginagamit na siya. Examples of this would be mechanical energy sa ating mga machines. Yung kaninang example natin, di ba? Oscillating fan, umaanda, no? Oscillating fan, umaandar siya. So, mechanical kinetic energy siya. Thermal energy sa ating apoy. Sound energy, no? Light energy and electrical energy. Okay? Ginagamit. Remember, ha? Ang potential energy natin at yung kinetic energy natin, reverse sila. Habang mataas yung potential energy ng isang bagay, mababa yung kinetic energy niya. Once na tumataas yung kinetic energy niya, bumababa yung potential energy. Okay? So, vice versa po sila. Inverse, kumbaga, yung ating potential at kinetic energy.